Did you know that the water that you wash your face with, the water back there in the sink, could actually be doing more harm than good? Because I actually did not know that either, and I am very well versed, or I would at least consider myself fairly well versed in skincare, and I've been having so many problems in the last couple years, and it didn't even dawn on me that it could be the freaking water. I have changed everything else except for the water. Today, we're changing the water with this. What I have here is the Water Drop single stage water purifier for underneath your sink. This is going to create soft water, and soft water is what's actually going to help your skincare, help your skin, and even your teeth sensitivity. It's a water filter, so it's going to remove the impurities. It's going to soften the water, but what they did with this one is, and the reason why I wanted this one over other ones, is they added a mineral called Strontium that's actually really beneficial for your skin. And this was actually created for skincare. If you have like rough texturing, you notice accelerated aging, you have dryness, sensitive skin, eczema, rosacea, things like that, this is going to be your best friend. At least I hope this is going to be our best friend, because I have a lot of those issues as well. Actually, this is a little clip from this morning, just kind of a good close-up of my skin. Here's the status of my skin before trying the soft water. It looks pretty decent right now. It's a week after my period, so like follicular phase is a phase-in. From afar, looking good. Up close, it doesn't feel very good. I get a lot of breakouts in this like horseshoe region, but more so right here. You can see all the texturing, the oil sebum that just like hides in the pockets of my pores on my cheeks right here. I have, I think I have like a little active breakout on this side, and I get it a lot on my jawline. But then for some reason, my skin is oily, but my chin is dry. So like this part right here is dry and a bit more sensitive. That's a breakout going away. Overall, like if I was to just feel my entire face, just the overall feel of my skin is not great. And I have been battling this for so long. I have tried literally everything. I even get custom skincare made for me in hopes that it was going to make my skin just like absolutely radiant and perfect. It helped. But I think that the water here, like look at this, a whole three-piece custom skincare set. It's not cheap. I think the water here is gonna be the trick. This is the only thing that I haven't changed. I know that there's definitely going to be diet things and hormonal balances that do play a factor in how your skin behaves, but I do have a pretty solid skincare routine, and I do feel like that it's not there. Pardon me for a quick interruption from today's sponsor, TCT Tech. Are you tired of spending hours listening to class meetings and lectures, painstakingly taking notes? Introducing the TCT Tech Smart Voice Recorder, your one-stop solution for capturing, transcribing, and summarizing your important conversations. This TCT Tech recorder boasts cutting-edge AI technology that can transcribe your speech into text within seconds, saving you precious time and effort. No more scrambling to jot down notes during a fast-paced meeting or a spy mission. Simply relax and focus on the conversation, knowing the TCT Tech recorder is capturing every word with crystal clarity. But hold your horses, that's not all. The TCT Tech recorder also features intelligent summarization, which provides a concise overview of all of the key points in the conversation. This is perfect for quickly reviewing meeting notes or refreshing your memory before a big test. And with the massive 128 gigabytes of memory, the TCT Tech recorder can capture 7,000 hours of audio, ensuring that you have a permanent record of all of the evidence you collected. Not only that, but this device automatically syncs with their app on your phone to transfer audio files within seconds. Simply tap the file to download, then tap again to access more options. Here, you can transcribe your audio with incredible precision, as well as summarize the conversation to the main points discussed. Then you can choose to export these files, share with your team or lawyers. Plus, the TCT Tech recorder's advanced noise reduction technology filters out unwanted background noises, ensuring your recordings are always clear and intelligible. Whether you're in a busy coffee shop or a crowded conference room, the TCT Tech recorder will deliver exceptional audio quality. Don't waste another minute struggling with traditional note-taking methods. Order yourself a TCT Tech Smart Voice Recorder and experience the future of conversation capture. Visit the link down below in the pinned comment and description box to learn more and get your TCT Tech Smart Recorder today. Huge shout out to TCT Tech for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the water filter. All right, so the way that this video is going to be formatted is in two parts, but in the same video, because I'm not a freaking monster. You'll see little chapters down here where you can skip ahead to different parts. We just did the intro. Next up, we're going to be unboxing it, figuring out what tools we need, installing it, and giving a first impression. Then I'm gonna come back, part two, same video, down here somewhere. When we come back, it's going to be my actual impression on it. Like, what did it actually do for me over the course of a couple weeks? Did I notice a reduction in my acne, texturing, fine lines, the way that the oil is like sitting in my pores? Did I notice a difference in my teeth sensitivity? Because I do have that. I would love to bite in ice cream. I don't want to do that. That gives me the shivers. But if I did it, I would love for it to not be painful. That's it. So let's unbox this. This here is the brand new Water Drop single stage water purifier that gets installed right under your bathroom sink. They also donate. Water Drop donates to the Water Project and Water for Smile. We stand a company that does good things. The box came with the installation instructions, which look relatively easy peasy, and a card with common troubleshooting tips and their customer service info, which is helpful. This box contains all of the installation accessories, a mounting drill guide, inlet and outlet hoses, Teflon tape, a 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch converter, and the mounting screws. And here is the water filter. It measures 16.7 inches tall and 3.9 inches wide at its widest point. You're gonna need a couple basic tools: a drill with a Phillips bit, an adjustable wrench, and a towel. If you don't have the tools, go ask your neighbor if you can borrow them. And if that's not an option for you, go to the hardware store because you're likely going to be able to rent at least a drill. The wrench, you can get a wrench for relatively cheap. You can get a wrench at Family Dollar. You can probably get it at the Dollar Tree. And that's probably something good to just have on hand for like plumbing things anyways, an adjustable wrench. This filter is a 7-stage filter. I didn't even tell you that. It reduces 99.9% of the bacteria, 95% of the chlorine in your water. It reduces the TDS, which is total dissolved solids like sand or rust or things that particles that you could actually see in here as well. So it's going to get rid of the sediment, it's going to get rid of the bacteria, but then they do something else where they add in a mineral called strontium, which is not something crazy and synthetic. It's something that's on the periodic table of elements. It's just recently becoming really popular in skincare. I feel like it's the next thing to like the snail mucin that people are putting on their face. I have not dabbled too much in Korean skincare. I get this like, I showed you earlier, it's this custom skincare that I get from pros. It's actually been helping my skin the most out of anything that I've tried. It's supposed to, like, if you have redness, itchiness, just sensitive skin in general, I'm prone to breakouts. If you have skin inflammation, eczema, dermatitis, rosacea, it's supposed to help with that. It's also supposed to help you with your collagen synthesis, which is what's making your face appear fuller so that you are reducing the signs of aging. There's so many benefits of the strontium. I will list them here if I forgot any other ones. We are going to get installing this thing though. I have to admit, I'm a little bit nervous to install this. My husband is with me anytime I've ever done a project, and then he naturally just takes over and I stand there and I watch. So the instruction guide says it's only gonna take us 2 minutes to do this. We are going to time it and see how long it actually takes me, somebody who knows absolutely nothing about plumbing, absolutely nothing about how to install something like this. Like, it calls these inlet and outlet hoses. I don't know which is which or if they're the same thing. We're gonna figure that out together, but if I can do it, that means that you can do it. There's nobody here to help me if we hit a snag though. Oh Lord. All I've done so far is empty out the cabinet. I'm gonna install it over here because it needs to be installed with the cold water line, and laid out all of the things that we are going to need. And I'm gonna start a timer now. So first up, we need to figure out where this needs to go. I need enough space on either side for inlet and outlet tubes that go in and out right there. And I need enough space to be able to turn this and pull the filter out so that I can replace it. It is a dark cabinet, but I have a feeling we'll all be able to see everything. Let's put it right, was it right there? Shoot, like about there. All right, now we drill our holes. Okay, you kind of leave them hanging out a little bit because it's got to hook on to this thing. Oh shoot, I should have done that lower. I didn't think about this board being in the way. Oh my goodness. All right, let's do that lower. You won't see the hole because the filter head will be covering it. Okay, maybe that? Yes. Now, all right, we got it mounted. We are at 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Next up is connecting these hoses. The one that's like an innie on the bottom, the female side, goes in the in. And there is supposed to be a little bit of a gap there, so I can't push it in any further. And then this one with the male end is gonna go in the out. Ta-da! That was easy. Next up, turn off the cold water supply. We're going into this tube, so we need to turn this off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Which way is off? Left is making a bigger gap in between, so right is gonna be off. All the way to the right. There we go. Good point for the towel. I should probably not have my phone in here. We're at almost 8 minutes. Listen, I'm not trying to rush to beat the clock. I wanna do a good job, but I do feel like I could do this pretty quick. Step is to remove the cold water line. Here is where we connect this to this, And if it's the same size, we don't need to use one of the converters. How convenient is that? Okay, so just connect that. Toy. 12 minutes and we're almost done. This little diagram here shows the outlet hose getting attached to the faucet, which means we need to remove this entire hose. We don't need it. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, come on. All right, with that one disconnected, neither of them use plumber's tape, so I don't feel like I need to use the plumber's tape. I might need the adapter for this side though. So we have this to the, yep. They included these adapters because the faucet one requires it. So we'll thread that on there. How do I get that to work? We hit a little snag, but I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. I think I already have a solution. The outlet for my filter and the faucet are both male, so I would need a female to female adapter. That's not what they sent. They do have the option to contact customer service and get that sent over, but I do think that my original faucet line is still going to work because this matches up with the outlet hose absolutely perfectly, no adapter needed, and this I can just reattach. It's pretty short, so I don't mind using it. In the meantime, I can go get a female to female. I'm not even sure if I would change it. Honestly, if this works just fine, I'm just gonna keep it like this. So all that work to take this off, we're gonna put it right back on. Now I'm going to mount this before I attach it to the water line so I can see how I'm gonna finagle these cords down here. Hang it up. All right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just run this along the side right here and attach them together. And that way it's out of the way and I don't see it like all jumbled up in there. I hope you can see everything. It's so hard to film inside of a cabinet, but we're doing it. We're doing it. Toy, like a toy. I think we're good there. It's time to turn the water back on. I'm a little, oh, maybe I should put the filter. I should have the filter in there. Like that. There we go. Oh, I got that all dirty. That hose was there was something black on the inside of it. I'm so nervous. All right, let's see. All right. Okay. There's no leaks. I can't believe I just did that. That took a grand total of 20 minutes and 26.58 seconds. I'm gonna call that 20 minutes. I feel pretty solid about that. I cannot believe that we did that without any leaks. I'm not even strong. I'm not a strong person to be able to tighten those bolts and stuff. All right, so now we have to flush it out for 5 minutes before we can do anything. Flush out the filter. You have to flush out every filter. Turn this on for 5 minutes. Oh my God, why did this? I knew it was gonna happen and it still scared me. All right, a little bit of black came out first. Some filtration such. Well, maybe we should check down below. Do we have any leakage down here? Not that I see. Nothing. No leaks up here. No leaks at this connector. Towel still dry. We're good. I gotta be honest, I am still shocked that I did that in 20 minutes and I was filming and I was troubleshooting as I was going and I was reading the instructions as I was going. You could probably do it in a lot less time than that. You could probably do it in 10 minutes. Like obviously the water is gonna look super duper clear. This is something that I've been wanting for literally years. And it was so much cheaper than I thought it would be. It was under $100 to get the entire system. You replace the filter every 3 months and it had these stickers. Hang on. I found these stickers in the bottom of the box so you could set yourself a reminder of when the filter needs to be changed, and then you could just order a new one from Waterdrop or from Amazon. I do believe they sell all of their entire line on Amazon as well. I will have all of it linked down below. We are done for today, but let's fast forward to a few weeks from now. Welcome back. It has been a month. It's actually the same part of my cycle as I was in last month. I kind of figured that was important, especially because our skin can definitely change based on what phase of your cycle that you're in. So the big question is, did I notice any difference? First, let me tell you what I actually did over the course of the last month. I used one of these. It's a reusable pad for taking off your makeup, washing your face and stuff like that. So this holds on to a lot of water. I felt like when I was washing my face that this was actually helping to like apply the water to my face, because I was really trying to get the most benefit out of the water on my skin as possible, which had me thinking, what else could I do? So after I was done washing my face, I got myself one of these little mister bottles that I filled up with the filtered water. And this is just a fine mist. So I let that sit and dry on my face before I did my serum. serum and my moisturizer because I was really trying to get my skincare to work like the maximum it could work. These are the promises of the filter. So did I notice an actual difference? You tell me. I have 0 on my skin right now. I don't even have moisturizer on my skin right now. The last thing that I put on it was a spray of this and then I stopped. What I can tell you is I had a lot of dryness down here and it feels like it's a lot more balanced. I still have like a couple little dry patches, but immensely better. Also the redness that's on my nose and on my cheeks, I feel like it's probably like 30-ish% better than it was before because I have some filler in my nose. So that's going to attribute to the redness too, but I also have like hormonal redness on my nose and on my cheeks. I feel like that went down, but my biggest, most exciting thing that I've noticed about it is that the little pockets of sebum on my cheeks right here are nearly gone. And because those are nearly gone, the texture of my skin is a lot smoother. And then even better yet, I had like all of those breakouts around here on my face. You can see that those are basically gone. I do have a breakout up here. Those are a lot more minimal, but another thing that I was getting, I don't think I mentioned it at the beginning of this video, is because I have oily skin, the oil gets trapped in my pores. I get these like, they're not zits, they're tiny little, they're not even whiteheads. They're hard to describe, but like, it's like the oil sebum just hardened into the pore into a little white dot and you can almost like scrape them off. I think it's primarily an oily skin problem, but because my face is a lot better pH balanced, I feel like my oil is a little bit better. It's not completely regulated. I still have oily skin. I used to get those all over here, and then down my neck and back right here. And I have very minimal of those left. It's just like, I am very excited about where my skin is right now. Now, this is only a month-long test. I do plan on testing it for a long period of time. Also, this water filter says that it's going to help with your teeth sensitivity. And did I actually notice a difference with that? No, not even a little bit. But also because I already know that I have sensitive teeth, I have special toothpaste, I have special whitening powder that I use that doesn't irritate my teeth, and I don't freaking bite ice cream. So there's not really a way for me to test that. Also, I'm not really sure if the water stays on your teeth long enough to actually do anything. And if I was to ask a dentist, I'm not sure what they would say. I will say that there is a downside to this filter. It is infused with strontium. You're not supposed to drink it. There is a safe limit to consuming it, so it's still safe to brush your teeth with it. And if you accidentally drink a little bit, you're going to be totally fine. There is still strontium found naturally in water sources as well. But basically the water is filtered for skincare. It's not filtered for consumption. It doesn't take out everything. Like you wouldn't get a TDS or a total dissolved solid reading very low on it because they are leaving minerals in it, and then they're even reinfusing it and they're pH balancing it. It's a totally different thing. I want to keep my skincare filter. I don't want to change it out. I still want drinking filter. Luckily, I have 2 sinks in my bathroom, so I'm going to put the drinking water filter one on Daryl's sink and leave my skincare one on my sink. But if you had just the one, I guess making the choice would kind of stink. But I think that wraps it up for the water drop under sink soft water filter. Huge shout out, by the way, to TCT Tech for sponsoring today's video. You can get your own smart voice recorder at the link and code down below in the pinned comment. I'll also have it in the description box, and I'll be sure to put all the water drop information down there as well. Huge shout out also to all my patrons for making videos like this possible. I truly appreciate you all. Hit subscribe before you leave. Love ya. I'll see you next time. Bye.